Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 55% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 55% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator. Press the multiply button and multiply by 45. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 45? Let's break it down. When we're talking about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 55% discount means you're paying 55% less than the original price. So if you take 55% away from 100%, you are left with 45%. In other words, paying 45% of the original price means you are saving 55%. So by multiplying the original price by 45, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating a 45% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, let's press that percentage button and voila! The final amount after the 55% off is $610.65. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item priced this time at $2,450. Let's enter that into our calculator. 2,450. Press the multiply button. Then let's multiply by 45. Press that percentage button. After the 55% off, the final price comes out to be $1,102.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 55% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.